According to China EV Post, MG Motor plans to build a manufacturing plant and R&D center in Mexico. This move aims to support its expansion in Latin America and the Caribbean. MG Mexico head Zhang Wei stated the plant will also produce market intelligence tailored for Latin America. MG's sister brand, IM Motors, will also enter the Mexican market. In March, BYD considered building an electric vehicle plant in Jalisco, Mexico. BYD launched its Shark pickup truck in Mexico on May 14. MG is a brand owned by Shanghai-based SAIC. Last November, MG's first locally produced new MG4 Electric Thailand Edition rolled off the production line. On March 20, JSW Group finalized a joint venture with SAIC to produce MG-branded electric vehicles in India. Europa Press reported MG is considering its first European electric vehicle plant in Galicia, Spain. A decision is expected by September 30, with production starting in late 2027. You are listening to Yuan News.